So hello guys, Microsoft is going to offer an internship program for the software engineering students. So this is the official site of Microsoft Careers, and here this is basically for the Indian graduates and students, as here the locations are Hyderabad, Noida and Bangalore. So for the internship, the qualifications that we needed: BTech, MTech, MS degree in computer science or related quantitative field with minimum CGPA 8 out of 10. So this is the basically eligibility criteria, and we have to do the things that communications and clean code, like that's the things they are saying. But this is the best opportunity to take an internship in Microsoft, so you can apply here. So I will give the link in the description, you can check it out. So that's the thing. So thank you guys.